name's Annette and welcome back to Cotto Verde. Today's video is another one in the series about my dahlias that I have here in a no-dig bed in my back garden, and I have quite a lot of dahlias, and I have always found in the past that it's quite difficult to choose dahlias online because it's hard to compare one to another. So I thought I'd do a series of videos to help people who are maybe looking to choose looking to choose dahlias for next season. So today's video is all about the single dahlias and the collarette dahlias and the anemone dahlias, and I've got a few of each, and I'm going to show you what they look like in the bed, and then I'm going to bring them back here to the table and line them up so that you can compare one to the other. And if I've got any information about them, I'll describe them to you, and then I'll put them in a vase so you can see what they look like in a vase, and hopefully that will help you choose some dahlias for next season. I have done a previous video about the pom-pom or ball dahlias, and I will be doing videos about the water lily dahlias and the decorative dahlias, and then another video about the dinner plate dahlias. I've got a few of those. So if you're interested in those, do subscribe to my channel, because then you'll be able to follow along and have a look at those videos. So let's go and take a look at the dahlias now. So now that I've picked all the dahlias, I've lined them up here on the table in front of me, and I'm just going to go through each one with you and explain a little bit about each one and maybe describe it in more detail if I've got more information. Starting at this end over here, we have HS Flame, which is this lovely red colour with a yellow inner, and this is a single. Next to it we have Totally Tangerine, which is like a beautiful pinky orangey coloured anemone dahlia. It's very small and I have it in a pot. Next to that we have April Heather, which is new to me this year, and this is a Collarette dahlia, and Collarette dahlias are ones with this sort of inner ring of petals. I should have said that first actually. So single dahlias have nothing on the inside except just all the pollen, and anemone type dahlias have these sort of pointy, lots of like a cluster of extra petals on the inside, and then the Collarette dahlias have this extra ring of petals, normally in a different colour, and I think probably the Collarettes are my favourite. So yes, back on to April Heather, which is this gorgeous sort of apricot-y pink with a sort of lemony white inner circle. Then next to that I've got Bright Eyes. This is one of my favourites. The bees absolutely, in fact all the insects love this one, I think, because it's very bright. So like a really bright purple with a yellow inner, and that's a single. And next to this is Edith Jones, another one of my favourites. I think they're all my favourites. Actually that's not true, I'll come on to that. So Edith Jones is absolutely glorious, and it's quite tall, and this is a Collarette. You can see the extra petals on the inside. Next to that, oops, sorry. Next to that we have Fancy Pants, and I've got two variations here because this one is very open, but it's the only example I had that was very open, and you can see the collarettes turning slightly brown on the inside because it's been pollinated. So I brought a darker coloured one, which is a newer one. You can see this hasn't been pollinated. The yellow stamens on the inside are they're in their unripe stage. So this is sort of two versions of what it looks like, but this is Fancy Pants. And next to Fancy Pants we have Florinor. This is a really good doer, so I get loads and loads of blooms from this one, and this is an anemone style dahlia. It's very, very fluffy, and this is the younger version, and as it ages it gets more yellow and a paler outside. And moving on, we have Teesbrook Audrey. This is new to me this year, and this is probably my least favourite Collarette dahlia. It is heavily pollinated, so if you want to be kind to the insects, they go for this one. I have no idea why. I don't think it smells. No, it doesn't. There's no scent, but they absolutely love it. But consequently, the flowers die really quickly, and it just kind of looks a bit scruffy and a bit brown, and this is the best flower that I had, and there are loads of flowers on the plant, but it's just pollinated all the time. So not my favourite, but if you like insects it's a good one. Then I have Honker Rose. This is also new to me this year. So it's got this is like a star-shaped dahlia, and it's got this dark petal here that kind of curls a bit, and then a really bright yellow on the inside. In the picture it was white on the inside, but mine are yellow. Blue Bayou is the next one. Blue Bayou is one of the first dahlias that I ever got, and I absolutely love it. This is an anemone style dahlia. It's really large. It's a beautiful purple colour. I absolutely love it. And then I have Night Butterfly, which is another one of the first dahlias I ever got, and I don't know why I love this one so much. A petal fell off, so this petal's supposed to be round here, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's this gorgeous sort of deep clarity red with a white inner circle of petals, and I absolutely love that. So I hope that you found this video interesting and useful if you're looking for dahlias for next year. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos about dahlias and everything else that's going on in my garden. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.